In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use smart lists in Lexicon. When you open up Lexicon, you'll be presented with your library. If you come over to the playlist section, right click and press new smart list, this will open up the smart list window. Smart lists are playlists with rules which will add songs into the playlist based on the rules that you set. So let's create a very simple playlist. We will go down to add rule. Here we will select BPM under field. Under operator, we will select equals. The value will be set at 100. So this rule will gather all the tracks in the music library which have the BPM 100. Up here we have the match section and we have two selections, any rule and all rules. Any rule means if any of the rules inside the smart list are matched, it will bring those tracks in. Whereas if you select all rules, every rule inside the smart list must be matched in order for the tracks to be brought into the playlist. Once you're happy with the rules that you've set, click save. This will then create a playlist with the 100 BPM tracks. One thing to know about smart lists, they only update every 30 seconds. If you want to update it automatically straight away, go into the smart list, edit it and save it again, and your changes will be applied immediately. Now I'm going to set up a more complex smart list. So if we open up the smart list window, the rules we're going to put in here are tags has one of these tags, and we're going to add hip hop here. Now we're going to add another rule and say tags has none of these tags, and we're going to set the value to radio. So this will show us all the hip hop tracks which are not radio edits. We will name this hip hop without radio edits and click save. Now you can see all the tracks within this smart list with the rules we've set. In Lexicon, when syncing back a complex smart list back to Serato, the smart list will be converted back to a normal crate because Serato doesn't understand some of the rules from Lexicon. So when you open up the smart list in Serato, it will have the correct name and the correct tracks inside. You just can't configure the smart crate in Serato. So that was how to create smart lists in Lexicon. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.